Welcome back to Mass Effect. We are back on board the Normandy, and after our last mission, I suspect the Council already regrets making us a Spectre. So yeah, that was a nice chat with the Council, who think it wasn't a good idea to let loose the Ragnet. And yeah, they might be right. But we'll see about that in the future. For now, I can gain more XP just by looking at things, which is great. And I think we should talk to our crew.
Boy, am I glad to be off of Novaria. I don't know which was worse, the cold or the corporations. One will freeze your balls off, the other will sell them out from under you.
True.
With all due respect, Commander.
How's the Normandy performing? Is she everything they said she'd be?
She's the best ship in the fleet. If you've got a pilot who knows how to handle her. Balance isn't what you'd expect. Takes a while to get used to that oversized drive core we got stuffed in the back, and her power can sneak up on you if you're not careful. The Normandy's probably too much ship for your average Alliance pilot, Commander. Lucky for you, I'm anything but average.
Yeah, I'm lucky. We have you, Joker.
I like to know my crew. Mind if I ask you a few questions?
I can see where this is going. You did a background check on me, didn't you? Well, I'll tell you the same thing I told the captain. You want me as your pilot. I'm not good. I'm not even great. I am the best damn helmsman in the Alliance fleet. Top of my class in flight school, I earned that. All those commendations in my file, I earned every single one. Those weren't given to me as charity for my disease.
Dang. I mean, he has some confidence. Yeah. What disease? Are you contagious? Yeah, I actually didn't mean to insult him, but I'm interested in what disease. I mean, it's none of my business, right?
I'm sorry, Joker. I didn't even know you were sick.
You mean you didn't know? Oh, crap. Okay, I've got Vrolik syndrome, brittle bone disease. The bones in my legs never develop properly. They're basically hollow, too much force and they'll shatter. Even with crutches and my leg braces, it's hard to get around. One wrong step and crack! It's very dramatic, but I've learned to manage my condition, Commander. Put the Normandy in my hands and I'll make her dance for you. Just don't ask me to get up and dance unless, you like the sound of snapping shin bones.
Oh, okay. I mean, I guess I know how he got his nickname. He is a Joker.
Why does everyone call you Joker?
It's a lot shorter than saying Alliance Flight Lieutenant Jeff Moreau. Plus, I love to make little children laugh.
Yeah.
You're dodging the question.
Look, I didn't pick the name. One of the instructors in flight school used to bug me about never smiling. She started calling me Joker, and it stuck.
But he does smile. I don't think he should tell me more about his disease. Only if he likes to. But we shouldn't press him on doing that.
Why didn't you ever smile?
Hey, I worked my ass off in flight school, Commander. The world's not gonna hand you anything if you go around grinning like an idiot. By the end of the year, I was the best pilot in the academy. Even better than the instructors, and everybody knew it. They'd all got their asses kicked by the sickly kid with the creaky little legs. One guess who was smiling at graduation?
Okay, fair. Oh, that's it. Okay.
I have to go.
Alright, see ya.
Cool. Nice. Grab that. There's nothing here. That is the exit. Can we exit again? What happens if we exit? Will they kill me? Let's take him because he can fight. And her? Then we have a ton of combat strength. What happens if I go back?
Equalizing interior pressure with exterior atmosphere. Logged. The commanding officer is ashore. Exo Presley has the deck.
Okay. I mean, I guess we can just go back. We can try visit the trader with our new earned money. I have 10,000 or so. Will they? Yeah. They're friendly. Not everybody attacks me now.
Good day, Commander.
It was
I
only
wonder,
peak 15.
how have you been spending your time?
This and that.
I've tried to keep myself busy.
That is not an answer. Not that I truly expected one. There was a break-in at the Synthetic Insights office. Several of my officers were killed. You wouldn't know anything, would you?
Oh, no. I did it. Well, yeah, I am sorry to hear that, but also I did
Some
it.
of your people died. My sympathies.
Thank you for saying that, but it does not bring them back. If you will excuse me, I must compose the letters to notify their families.
And that's sad. Well, they shouldn't have. They shouldn't have attacked me. Okay. Interesting. That we can just go back. Alright. Now we have to go down. Yeah. I don't actually think we have business here, but I am curious. Now that we are here. I mean, somebody must notice all the scientists missing of that facility that we destroyed.
The managers warned us about you.
Ah, yeah. Look who's here. I mean, why shouldn't he?
How may this one assist?
Let's see.
Show me what you're selling.
Of course.
Non-human armors. Maybe we find armor for our buddies that are better. Krogan. I mean, yeah, maybe our Krogan could use... I have 27,000. Could use a new armor. But honestly, I do not know. Turian? Onyx 4? Or a Mantis 4? Only Krogan Turian. Oh, Quarian. But that's not very good. An Onyx 3. Is 9? It's only the people we have with us in our squad. Yeah. What can we sell? We have a ton of stuff. Also a ton of crap. Was probably... Oh! This is quite valuable, to be honest. Okay. These are my things, right? Yeah. So these... I think the cheap ones I'd rather transform into gel. But if we do have valuable stuff that I don't need, I am inclined to sell some. Yeah, maybe these. Anti-personnel. Armor plating. Because we already have level 3 stuff. So we can sell all the level 2 stuff, right? What's that? Cryo grade. Contains small Bose-Einstein condensate. What's so called? Detonated. Oh, it's for the... Ah! Okay. We don't need that, though. Don't need that. Maybe we should keep the grenade upgrades. That we can sell. Cell. Shield generator. Shock absorber. Toxic seal. I already had a 3, I think. Now the pistols? And stuff. Although... Ah. I have a Nomni tool. Cool. Yeah, and then the level 3s. Yeah, also the weapons. We are already at level 3. Look at how much weapons we have. So maybe we can sell the level 2s. Not the grenades though. That might be light armor. Should we sell the armor? Yeah. We are beyond level 2s. That might be a mistake, what I'm doing here, but it is one way to clean up my inventory. Medium armor, assault rifle, sniper, heavy armor we cannot wear, sniper, heavy armor. Oh, our Krogan could wear that. And maybe should. It's much better. I mean, it doesn't have as many shields as that, but it does have much better damage protection. And then the level 3s we keep. Okay? Thanks for taking my crap. Now, I do want to talk to the woman. And then we leave. Is she still here? Yeah.
I've got a lot of work to do.
Okay, she doesn't like me. And he won't talk to me either, right? So I think, yeah, we're done here.
We're back in contact with Peak 15.
Oh.
They say you destroyed the hot lab facility and killed Lady Benezia.
Well...
Benezia didn't have full control of her own mind.
A curious statement. Regardless, I am not concerned. Agent Saren will hold you to blame for her death, not I. I would like to know exactly what happened. Off the record.
It's none of his business.
How much would that be worth to you?
I am prepared to offer our standard 200 credit fee.
Oh.
Life is full of little disappointments, Mr. Ananias. This is one of yours.
No matter. I am confident I can convince one of the survivors to talk. Please close the door when you leave.
Oh man. Okay. Well, that's that. Let's go. I don't like that place. Goodbye. Coming. Okay, there's nothing else to do here. Let's never come back. Oh, maybe. I mean, you should never say never. Maybe there's some more business here later on, but I doubt it. Is that my... That's not my ship. That is my ship. Yeah, there she is. Our Normandy. It is bigger than I thought from the outside. It looked much smaller when we've been at the Citadel.
Stand by, shore party. Decontamination logged. The commanding officer is aboard. XO Presley stands relieved.
Good for Presley. Okay. Now, what we could do is grab that, and there he is.
Yes, Commander?
Speak freely, Presley.
Oh, it's
I
that.
want to know if you have
Right.
a problem
Yeah,
with
yeah.
non-humans.
I trust you, Commander. If you think they belong here, then so do I.
Okay,
Carry on, Presley.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, should we visit our local merchant? I don't think so. I think we should move on. Okay. We're done with Noveria. And we did visit all the other planets, right? We could only scan them. So we go back. What is that? Stranos. Pax. Do we want to visit other systems in the Horsehead Nebula? I mean, now that we're here, should we? Let me zoom out. Hades Gamma. To go to Artemis Tau, where we want to be, we first need to go to Hades Gamma. Gemini Sigma. Argos Rho. We don't have business there though. And then Ferris. Yeah, I'm very curious in that. And then coming back and moving further to Ferris, we can visit Hades Gamma on the way. Yeah. I think that's what we do. Also, I mean, we can now go to the Exodus cluster first. Utopia. Is that all? I mean, wait. Is that... Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Let's go there. What do we have here? We have a star system with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 planets, it seems. Yeah. Arcadia is the closest to the star. Eden Prime! Oh, we're here! Scion. And Xandu. And Nirvana. Yeah? An unusually large terrestrial world, Arcadia has dense atmosphere composed of nitrogen and helium. Its scorching hot surface is mainly composed of alkaline basalts, but metal deposits are plentiful. Though several spectacular examples of columnar basalt formation offer scenic beauty, Arcadia's hostile environment has precluded commercial development. Cannot even scan it. Wait. Did our visit on Eden Prime count as having been visited the whole cluster? Model of sustainable organized development. Greenfields and orchards. Okay. What about Scion? Can we scan Scion? No. Scion is a hydrogen-helium gas giant, even larger than Jupiter. Despite its deep gravity well and lethal radiation, it supports a small helium-3 mining industry. The reason is simple. As the only gas giant in the Utopia system, it is the only local source of fuel for Eden Prime's power stations and spaceports. Saturn has 112 satellites, ranging from captured asteroids to the moon of Asphodel, which is large enough to retain a thick atmosphere. It has a population of 1061. Crazy. Cyan, then... It's you? Nirvana? Has a trace atmosphere of xenon and krypton. The surface is a mix of water ice and iron oxides with cryovolcanic plumes of potassium concentrated around the equatorial ridge. Nirvana has little of commercial or scientific interest, though a few geological research stations were constructed in the early 2160s. All have been shut down for years. The Alliance maintains an automated ice cracking station, which has quietly stockpiled a large amount of deuterium fuel for use by the fleet. Okay. And last but not least, Xanadu. Xanadu's atmosphere is composed of methane and argon. Its frozen surface is mainly composed of potassium with deposits of calcium. Its location in the deep cold of the outer system and its lack of any valuable resources leave little to recommend it. Oof, yeah. That's pretty cold. Okay, cool. That was Utopia, and there's no other system in the Exodus cluster. So... what if we go there direct? Yeah, okay, we go there directly. Oh, look at that! It's all Greek names. Athens, Knossos, Sparta, Macedon. That's funny. Where do we wanna be? We start in Athens? But I wanna explore all of these systems. Let's go to Athens. I like Athens. Even these are cities. Ah, no, not all of them. Proteus. Salamis. Can we scan these? No. The geological properties of Salamis have been scanned from orbit, but little else is known about it. Due to its thick carbon dioxide atmosphere and proximity to the energetic star Athens, the equatorial daytime temperatures have been known to turn the surface molten. The crust is composed of iron, with deposits of platinum group metals. Cool. Proteus. Like the Hanar homeworld, Proteus has more than 90% oceanic cover. The incredible heat thrown off from Athens raises global humidity to 100%, creates constant cloud cover, and powers colossal typhoons that rage across the surface year-round. Hot, humid, and storm-racked, Proteus's rare combination of oxygen-nitrogen atmosphere and carbon-based biosphere nevertheless recommended it for colonization. A pilot program is studying the possibility of colonies below the ocean surface, safe from the worst effect of the weather. And there is a colony. It has a population of 12,470 in Ithaca. That's a city. Ah, we can survey that one. Gas deposit surveyed. Proteus has a large amount of free oxygen. Awesome. And then... just closer. That one? That one. Nausicaa. Traces of sodium in the atmosphere give Nausicaa its overall dark gray color. but it is otherwise a typical hydrogen-helium gas giant. An abundance of water vapor in the upper atmosphere account for its white clouds. No colony in here. What about Kirke? It is a modestly sized hydrogen-helium gas giant with traces of sulfur and chlorine. These give it its striking yellow-green tint. As the development of the Proteus colony continues, Kirke will likely be developed for helium-3 mining. Okay. Gas deposit surveyed. By scanning this gas giant, you detected a large concentration of helium-3. Awesome. Okay. And Pharos. Distant Pharos has seen only a cursory examination by an unmanned probe. It has trace atmosphere of nitrogen and argon. Its surface is mainly composed of tin with deposits of carbon. Deeper craters have been partly filled by ice, suggesting there may be a significant amount of water locked up beneath its frozen surface. A large, ice-bright crater in the southern hemisphere makes the planet visible from the inner system, leading to the planet's name. Taurian insignia recovered. Scans of the planet Pharos revealed an abandoned base on its moon. The recon team found nothing of interest, but much of the debris was marked with the Magna Colony insignia. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. Now let's go to Sparta. Okay. That's the innermost. Tremandre is a dwarf planet composed of light magnesium silicates with deposits of aluminum. Its surface is covered by wide swaths of ancient dark basaltic lava, possibly indicating the world was created through an impact with some other body in the system. Tremandre's magnetic field is non-existent. This makes it impossible for ships to dump a drive charge from orbit. That said, Tremandre's minuscule gravity allows even cruiser-sized vessels to land safely for direct grounding. No atmospheric pressure. Day length is 1 year. Okay, next up is Aeolus. Yeah.
Commander, I'm picking up a signal from the planet's surface. It looks like an automated distress beacon.
Ah. Yeah, here we can land. Aeolus is a terrestrial planet with an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Aeolus's surface is covered by white deserts of silicate sand, with only a few areas of igneous rock highlands to break the abrasive, dust-choked wind. Aeolus's orbit is congested with debris, thrown inwards by the gravity of the gas giant Ontamalka. Due to a high rate of meteor impacts, exploration is highly dangerous. We first investigate the others. What's next? Altaia is an unusually large terrestrial world with a trace atmosphere of methane and ammonia. The surface is frozen and mainly composed of sandstone and other sedimentary rocks, with deposits of iron and chlorides. Judging by the sedimentary composition of the crust, it appears that Altaia once possessed an atmosphere thick enough to support some form of liquid. What cataclysm stripped the atmosphere and left the planet to freeze is not currently known. Okay. Then we got that's the mentioned planet, Ontamalka. can survey. It's a large hydrogen-helium gas giant with traces of chlorine and sulfur in the atmosphere. Its massive gravity well tugs many asteroids from the outer belt inwards, past the orbit of Altair and Aeolus, and eventually settle into the inner belt. Untermalkar's orbit is congested with hundreds of captured moons. Most last only a few thousand years before being ejected, dragged down into the atmosphere or ripped apart by tidal forces and added to the gas giant's immense rings. Attempting to navigate this chaotic environment is hazardous at best. Ships without military-grade kinetic barriers are likely to suffer catastrophic impact. Have detected a large concentration of hydrogen. Cool. Then we have... Is there another one in between? No, so the outer planet is Alsacius. Small distant Alsacius, I don't know, is a small terrestrial with a trace atmosphere of methane and argon. The surface is composed of water, ice and calcium with occasional deposits of light metals. During the Alliance's pirate suppression campaigns in the 2160s, the Batarian Eluam Run Para was caught with his frigate Toneran grounded on Alsacius for drive discharge. When challenged by the cruiser Hyderabad, Ran Para refused to surrender. The Toneran was destroyed attempting to take off. The debris is strewn across the southern hemisphere. Ah. Detect a small deposit of plutonium. Okay. Cool. Well, now, let's land. Whom do we take this time? We are visiting an archaeologist of her race, right? So we take her. I cannot believe that he has the same combat strength as him. He seems to be so weak. Yeah, he doesn't. Just looks like... Ah, he does! How is that? He has a little bit of biotics. I mean, she has the most combat strength. He might be too impulsive, though. I am tempted to take these two again. They are the most interesting. We will take him on the next combat mission. I mean, this might be a combat mission. Everything might be a combat mission. Should I take her? I mean... These are the same, but less combat. Do we need biotic? Let's try that. Oh, wow. We just got dropped down in our vehicle. I got an achievement. Oh. What's that? What is that? Oh, it's asteroids. What is that? I cannot exit. Oh, there's a vehicle. Is it friendly? Hi. It's similar to what I have. Can I investigate? No. Okay. There's just a random broken down vehicle. Fair, fair. Can I explore a bit? I do know that the marker is in that direction, but I want to see what else is around here. Now that we're here, explore it. Right? Oh, look at that. There's something. So maybe we shouldn't? Maybe we should go to the marker? Oh, there's a huge red circle. I don't like that. Or a red line. There's something behind that mountain. Is that just where we cannot go?
You need to turn back, Commander. You're going beyond the range of the operation area.
It is. Yeah, I don't think we can reach it from here. There's something though. Can I drive up there? Kinda. What is that? Palladium deposit.
Securing point.
Oh, we should maybe drive there. It's further away than I thought. What do we do with that? Oh, I hack it. You have successfully surveyed a large deposit of palladium. Awesome. What now? What do I do with that? Do I shoot it? Can I sell it? Why did I do that? What now? Can I collect it? I cannot collect it. Okay, we've surveyed it. That seems to be enough. Maybe we will collect it when we go back on the ship. But what then? Do we trade resources? We'll see about that. Now let's... Whoop! Probably up. Man. I think that planet has low gravity. We're jumping a lot. There's more. So it is worth looking around, definitely. Okay. Do we get anything else on the screen? That's the corner. There's nothing. Yep. Okay. Oh, look at that! Oh. That's where we need to be. Let's try to get the deposit. Where is it? Is it... Oh goodness gracious! Can we climb that? Where is it? Ah! Can I do that from here? No. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I do it. So it is a small deposit. It's small. I get XP and money. So, okay, so maybe that's it. I just get XP and money for doing that. And quite a bit, so it's worth it. Cool. Let's hope safe. And try to get down here without falling. Off the... So, goodness gracious. Careful. Okay. I mean, we need to be back there anyways. What? Okay. Stay on that ridge. scary here. Ah, there's more. More stuff. Oh no, that's a question mark. The marker is... Wait. Marker is somewhere in that direction, right? But there is something. That's the question mark. Is that friendly? Wait, where's it? There. That's another vehicle, isn't it? What is that? Well, let's investigate. Will it shoot? Let's pop another safe. In case it's not friendly. Alliance Marine. Okay. What is that? Oh, that's not friendly. It's a Thresher Maw! Wait, what? They're huge! Shoot it! Oh, goodness gracious. Wait, what? What? It kills me in one hit? That is crazy! Okay, good to know. Okay. Where does it pop up? Here. Get away. Okay. 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 Just need to keep moving. Okay. That works, I think. Oh. It's dead. We killed it. Okay. There are Thresher Maws here. Awesome. I hate it. Uh-oh. Yup. They're dead Marines, alright. Are we safe? Will there be another one?
Alliance soldiers. Looks like they were lured here by the distress beacon.
Like we were.
Those are Admiral Kahoku's men. We need to tell him what happened here.
Yeah. We need to. Okay. That was the one mission for the Admiral. There's nothing else we can do here, right? Can I do something with the beacon? Huh. I cannot talk to Caden. Can we turn it off? Well, I think we have to find out who said it here. Right? We set it up. And to do so, we follow the marker? Oh, wait. Let's pop a save. I don't want to fight the Thresher Maw again. Although I have a feeling there will be more. Oh, that's the corner. Wait, my marker is beyond the terrain that we can navigate in. Oh, that's odd. Oh no, we are... Wait. We can navigate beyond.
You need to turn back, Commander.
Yeah.
You're going beyond the range of the operational area.
How can we... Can we force it?
You went right off the scanners, Commander. Now we have to bring you back.
Oh. Okay. Ah. Okay. Now we're at the beginning. Interesting. Which... Goodness gracious. There's so much. Turian insignias? Outposts were destroyed during the Unification War. Each colony's insignia also disappeared. That's what we scanned on that one planet. Yeah, we found that. Ah, finding minerals is a mission too. Enemies minerals to travel. Okay. Head to the Macedon system in the Artemis Tau cluster and investigate the mercenary attacks. Keep searching until you find all the missing writings of the Asari. Find the freighter in Furinata system of the Hades Gamma cluster and make your way to the biotics on board. For the missing survey team... Ah, here. You found the dead bodies of men who served under Admiral Kahoku. Return to the Citadel. Okay, so that's done. Means we're done here. Isn't N... Yeah, okay. Cool. Awesome. We done a mission. Okay. That was kind of successful. We met a new enemy and we learned a ton about new planets in distant systems. We haven't found the archaeologists though, so we need to keep searching. Let's go back. And investigate Knossos. What do we have? That's the closest. Phaistos is a small terrestrial with a trace atmosphere of carbon dioxide and xenon. The surface is scorching hot and mainly composed by sulfur and various silicates. There's little of interest on this desolate world. So we move on to Therum, where we can land. Therum is a distant but rich industrial world claimed by the Human System Alliance. Its plentiful heavy metals have fueled the recent manufacturing boom on Earth. Core samples rich with the fossils of simple silicon-based organisms indicate Therum was more inhabitable in the past than it is at present. Perhaps this explains the many Prothean ruins dotting the surface, most of which have been looted by mining corporations. Will she be here though? I doubt it. Which was the next? Sacros. It's a terrestrial world with a nitrogen-methane atmosphere containing trace amounts of hydrocarbons. Its frigate surface is mainly composed of water, ice, and hydrocarbon slush. Most of the surface is not solid enough to support the full weight of a landed ship. If approach is necessary, use shuttles or keep the ship's mass effect envelope up. Okay. Then Armeni? is a terrestrial world with an unusually thin atmosphere of krypton and xenon. Its surface is composed of silica with deposits of carbonaceous material. The initial flyby probe of Armani detected multiple areas at the equator with oddly regular surface protrusions. Closer investigation revealed these are millions of elaborate crypts a few meters below the surface, left by a long-extinct spacefaring species called the Seoth. Many human universities wish to perform archaeological excavations. Council law holds grave sites as sacrosanct, however, and the matter has been tied up in a court for a decade. That's funny. And Arcanis. A small hydrogen-helium gas giant, Arcanis has been developed as a full-featured, if modest, stopover for ships hauling refined materials from Therum. In addition to a powerful magnetic field to dump the drive charge, Arcanis has a largely automated infrastructure of helium-3 refining and deuterium mining on its many water ice moons. A large concentration of nitrogen. Okay, awesome. Now let's land on... It was here, right? Yeah, on Therum. I doubt though she's here. Who resides here? I forgot. Who is she, by the way? Or do I take him? I take him. Oh, we flopped down again. Just like that. It's crazy. Bonk. I have an
Commander,
ability.
I'm picking up some strange readings. Really strange, like off the damn charts.
Oh.
It looks like it's coming from an underground complex a few clicks away from the drop zone.
Oh. That's crazy stuff. Can we get into these?
Cover me.
I doubt it, right? What are these? We cannot get into these. Okay. Fair. Let's drive towards the marker, but we do keep an eye out for more... Oh no, there's lava. Oh, that's dangerous. For more deposits of stuff. Oh no! That kills me too? Yeah, that kills me too. Dang! That was funny. So we actually have to be very, very gentle in driving. Don't drive over bumps that take you on a spin. Okay. Yeah. Not, don't do that. Where did we go? Goodness gracious, look at that! Is that... Oh, that's the... Oh gosh, don't look into the sun. Why is it blue? Must be the atmosphere. This one... Wow, that looks crazy. Can I do something here? No. Ugh. Oh, we have to cross here. Careful. Okay. What is that? Huh. What the heck is that? What? It's shooting at me. I'm just looking. I got a codex entry. Huh. They're gas. Why are they gas? Get shot. Okay. How bad? How bad is my... I don't have much maneuverability here. Okay. So that was a gas ship who dropped some gas soldiers onto me. Oh, that's bad. Let's save. Uh-oh. What did we run into? There's more. Where? Uh-oh. I don't like that bit. It's huge. What is that? Oh, there's a building. Okay, I got something. Oh, that didn't hit. Okay. I think it's turrets or something. More?
Only a fool punches a Nathak in the mouth. We should sneak around and pull its tail.
Okay. How do we do that? Oh, wow. Look at that. It's you. Ah, maybe that's what you meant with sneaking around. Okay. Got it. Ooh. That's difficult though. Oh no no no. What is that? Aha. Okay. I don't know if that's a good idea. There's one red dot above me at least. Aha. There's something. I can obliterate them though. More? I mean, yeah. Okay. If you come one by one, I'm fine with that. Can just pick you off. Three more left. Come out. Come out. Troopy. Show yourself. Can I destroy the cover? Oh, I can just destroy him behind the cover. Okay. 2 more. I mean 3 more. There's one behind me, but... Where are you at? Show yourself. It's too quiet. I think they're inside. Right? Yeah, it seems so. Solar panels. Okay. Yeah, it seems the rest is inside. Can I just shoot in there? No. Okay. Cool. Fair. 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 But if we're safe here, which we are supposedly, I will pop a save. Yeah, it failed. We're still in combat. I don't like that. Let's go the other way around. There's an enemy somewhere, but I don't see any. Okay. Woo! Dang it. If we can, let's clean it up from that side. I'm not sure that there is anything. Yeah, that other way was the way we had to go. Okay. There's a huge gate, but it doesn't open for us. Well. Oh, can we save here maybe? Failed. Dang it. Well. It was a period. Just for the show. Okay. Somebody behind there. Guess we have to get out. Draw your weapons.
Clear.
They're in there. They're for sure in there. Behind it there? No. Okay. Beautiful. Can I now save? Yeah! Okay. Well, that's convenient. Because in that case, I will end the episode here and we storm that building in the next one. And maybe we find an archaeologist. Who knows? But maybe she is on another planet. We'll find out in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching this one. Have a wonderful and adventurous day and goodbye.